Hello everyone, it's me, Mr. Anything. So I'm back with another video. So in today's video, we are gonna create a text editor app using code.org. So let's get right into the video. So to create this text editor app, first go to code.org. You'll get the link in the description. Then sign in on this website. Click on create and then select App Lab. Now, here we have our console where we will design and develop our app. So first let's get up with the designing. Go to design from here and then from here select the drag and drop this text area to the screen. You can just increase the size so that it looks a little bit like the text editor. Okay, this is quite a good one. So I'll give it a good font size. I'll just write something here and I'll give it a good font size like 18 would be enough. So I'll just delete this text. We don't want any text over here. So go to this text alignment and set this to center. I'm setting this to center because it looks good with this, it looks good with this text area, or it will just start from here and this app may just cut your text, it wouldn't be visible to you. Okay, so now we are done with this text area part. Go and select a label, drag and drop this here, increase it a bit, increase its size. Now write text color, text color. Okay, just increase its length. That's good enough. So now we'll be needing a drop down. Drag and drop this drop down here. I'll just make this a bit smaller. Yes. So now click on this drop down and then go and write your options here. This is the color one. But we're using this drop down, the user will select the color of this text area. So please write only the colors that I am writing, because any spelling error or any uppercase or lowercase mistake may lead to an error in this program. Okay, so first option can be red, then we'll take yellow, then we'll take teal, then magenta, orange, and then we can take sky blue, and then we can take what else color? We have green and we have blue, we have pink, and I think these many colors would be more than enough. Okay, now so we'll just click on this label and duplicate this one, two, three times. So the next one, we'll take this here. Yeah. Okay, so now in this one, the second label, click on this and here write background color. Okay, so now just increase this a bit. Okay, this is enough. So now you can go and drag and drop this drop down again here. Just adjust this because it can cut it, so it wouldn't be visible, so we don't want that. You can just make this drop down small. Okay, so now Let's do it for the third label. Go and set this as font. Okay. So I'll just make this a bit small, and then I'll just duplicate this and get it here. Okay. So we forgot to write these options for the background drop down. So I think we'll just delete this, and I'll duplicate this one because already we have the options written there. Make this a bit small. Okay, that's perfect. So now head over to the font one, and then delete all of the all of the all of the options, and then write the fonts like Times and Courier, and we have Comic, and then I can add another font like Palatino. Okay, so everything is ready now. So the only thing that is left is, I think, the font size. Yes, only the font size left. So drag and drop this label, the last one, and then right here, font size. So now we can't control our font size with a drop down element. We'll be using a slider. Go here, go to this menu, and then select this slider which is present here. Drag and drop this here. Yes. Okay. So now you can just click on the slider, and don't forget to give it a minimum value, a maximum value, a step size, and a value. Write the value as 1, minimum value as 0, maximum value as 100 you can give, and the step size as 1. Okay, so we have done it till now. You can go and select a theme like classic. I like this theme, classic. This background color is just cutting a bit, so I'll head over to this and select this text alignment as center. Yes, I'll do the same for all of the labels. Center, center, and I'll do the same for this font size one. Center. Okay, so this is looking perfect. I'll just take another label here down the space where the space is left. I'll enlarge this and make this into the middle. Okay, so now write the text as text editor. So now you can increase the font size like 28 or something. Set the text alignment as center, and you can just get a good text color. Like I'll maybe making it red, and I'll make this back and go. I just you just click on this white area, and then it will navigate you to this interface. You can set the background color of the screen from here. I'll set it yellow because yellow and red match a lot. Okay, so we are done with our designing part. Let's head over to code. Click on code, and then on event ID, get this here. On event ID, drop down one, which is this one. Drop down one. Input. This is the text color one. So go to UI controls and then scroll a bit down. You will see the block or set property. Drag and drop this here. Set property. Select text area 1, not slider 1. Text area 1. Then this is text color. Select text color from here. 2. Here we'll use, go scroll up, get text from drop down 1. Yes. So this will select this. So this will select the text color according to the option which is selected in drop down one. I'll just run this and show you the demo. Like I wrote something. Yes. So I'll select the text color as yellow. So it will make it yellow. I'll select is as orange. It will make it orange. So this element is working perfectly. So we'll just reset this. Then we'll again drag and drop this on event 1. Then we'll have to do it for drop down 4, which is the background color one. Go and select drop down 4. Again input. And then we have to just copy this again. Go and just take this set property 1, id text area 1, with not with, click on here and then set your background color to, again we need this get text. Yeah, get text drop down 4. Yes. So we also have our background color working now. We'll just check this. Yes. Our background color is working now. Like I write something like this and it's selected as yellow, red. So this is working perfectly. So again we'll get this ID drop down and then select drop down 3, which is this font, input, then again get this set property id text area 1. Then here it will be, we are setting the font. Yes, select font family to get text from this text input drop down 3. Yes, from the to drop down 3. Yeah. Okay, so now we can set our font. We can select our font, our background color and the text color. So let's run it and I'll just write anything. I'll select the background to yellow and this to red. Select this to not red, magenta. Yes, it's a pinkish kind of shade, magenta. And now let's change our font. I'll write comic. Yes, it's changing perfectly. Wow, everything is working. Now, the only thing which is left here is our font size. So again, get this on event ID, drop down 4, not drop down, slider 1. So after this, then this we'll just drag and drop the set property again. Set property ID, text area 1, font size 2. Now we'll be needing get number and select the ID as slider 1. Let's see if this works. I'll just write anything and I'll just see. Yes, this is working absolutely perfectly. This is working perfectly. Like I'll select a font, not like this one, and I'll make this yellow. And this has not yellow, this is orange or blue. Yes, I'll not select this as yellow because it's just matching. I think I can select this as green and this as sky blue. Wow, what an app! We can just, I mean, share it with your friends and your family members and relatives. They'll love this app. So click on reset and you can just rename this your project as text editor and then click on save. Now to share this, click on share and copy this link and send it to anyone you want to share. Like I'll just copy this, control C, and then the person will go to a new tab and paste this link here, and then it will lead him to this page. So here also I can write anything. Here I can change the text color, magenta, everything I can do. So background color teal, and font size also I can increase here. This is a wonderful app. So I can even provide this app link to you in the description box, so you can go and check this out. So please comment down below your ideas for the next video, and comment down below if you want this app to be made by me in Thunkable also. I can make a video by this making this text editor app using Thunkable. So please comment your ideas down below. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this with your friends and family. Thank you.